put myself up here. Hi, gals and guys. It's Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and I didn't even know you could do this. I've only done some like 100 plus videos using Loom, and I didn't know you can move yourself like around like this. But anyways, it doesn't matter. This video is not how I move myself around using Loom. This is actually about Amazon.com. Or Amazon Seller Program, I should say, and listing your items. So now I got to move myself down here. I'm going to just do a video of where I move myself all over the place, but not on this video. This video, we're going to talk about the status of Amazon listings. So as you can see, one is inactive and one is suppressed. So I can tell you right now, the inactive one is due to some type of pricing issue. I did have it as $95. And then I put it to 75 just to see if it did anything. It didn't make a difference. So we're going to go in and fix that. And then this is suppressed. And I can tell you right away why that's suppressed, because there's no images. So it's not currently active. So we're going to get that active. So if you happen to come up with either of those statuses, then you're at the right video, I guess. I had to move my foot in. Anyways, that's neither here nor there. And let's go to, oh my Lord, I got, as always, too many damn tabs up. So let's go to your Amazon seller main page. And here's your pricing, right? So we want to fix price alerts. So let's go into fix those. All right, it's got the 95 there. There's no sale price. There's no, so we got to figure out how to update this. All right, and I am skipping around a little bit here, but what I did to correct this, you can see these are all active now, and I'm gonna walk you through on how I did that. What I did is I changed this to $20, the initial product that was listed, and then it went ahead and updated it, and it was fine. So I instantly deleted that product. And because I don't have anything to sell for $20, my retail is $104.95 for this particular product, brand new. So what I did is I created a brand new product, and here we can get into it real quick. All right, excuse me. So I created a brand new product. It still needs a little editing here, but I'll take care of that in a bit. But this is my listing. This is what I listed on Amazon because it's now currently allowing me to do that. Just see the other videos to see how to do that. Actually, you can see the last video that I did to see how to do that. I'll put it below. And this is what happened beyond that. Anyways, let's go back here. And so I did put the $20 in there just to see if it would make it active. And that was absolutely the issue. The price was too far. I think it was put in as a used item initially, this particular listing. So make sure you watch out for that. Am I selling this for $20? No, I don't have it for $20. So I am going to delete that product from my listing. All right, and if we just, yeah, it's still on there. Anyways, to correct this issue, this is very simple. It's just the fact that there were no images. As you can see, it's active now. I did send images, but here, look what happens if I hit on edits. All these freaking tabs up here. Oh, I'm not getting the error message anymore. So I'm not sure what happened there. I was initially getting an error message. These just haven't made it in there. So I guess if it's just a matter of waiting, I'm not really sure. Here's the product page that's live. So I'll just have to see what Amazon's going to do with it. And that's exactly what did happen. It was just a matter of waiting a few minutes until it was put in. So let me show you. These are two products that I put in personally after I dealt with that. What was that? The 5461 error, which is a video I'm going to link below. I'm also going to link to lesson 17, which where this whole process started. So check out those two videos in order to see how the issue began. And this video is how it kind of puts it all together to complete the whole scenario. And so this is active. This is my listing. This is what I put, as I already showed you. Again, I got to fix that. This is the other listing, or actually, is that the one? Okay, I do have to fix that one. Okay, sorry. And then there's this one. I have to fix this one as well because it's all squunched together. I got to break it up a little bit, but that's not a big deal. And so that's my listing as well. That's what I put in, and it solved the issue for both those products. That's how to get rid of both those status messages. And if you had any questions towards that, please put them below, reach out to me, or put them in the comments. And that's it for this round there, gals and guys. I appreciate you as always. And please subscribe if you're getting a lot out of these videos. I mean, certainly share wherever you like. Certainly give them a thumbs up if you like them. And hit that belly thingy dingy dingy to get updates as they come. And maybe at some point I'll just condense all this training into one. But for right now, you'll have to check out 3 different videos in order to get the full scenario. All right, guys and gals, thank you for coming. I appreciate you as always, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye now. That's my Carol Channing, if you know who Carol Channing is. It's my impression. Bye-bye.